哦，hello， 唔小心撳咗 live 添。Oh my god！ 誒，食嘅？呢度，刀仔，我叫佢做刀仔啊，因為佢好中意，佢之前好中意咬我，跟住咬到好似我俾刀刮咗，俾刀劃咗一下咁樣，所以我叫佢做刀仔。刀仔，刀仔，刀仔，刀仔，刀仔，刀仔啊，刀仔，刀仔，刀仔。刀仔，刀仔，刀仔，刀仔，真係鬼馬。好啦，唔係啊，但係個直播都係1010開始嘅，我早撳咗嘅，但係我都係1010開始嘅，所以我都喺度嘅。早晨啊，各位。你今日食咗飯未啊？你今日食咗嘢未啊？你未食嘢？你未食嘢？點解見到 Mary 啊 ？Mary 喺邊啊 ？Mary，My son is Cam Chan 啊 ，Cam Chan 啊！嗱，今日呢個直播咧就係數緊鬼嘅，係啊！今日呢個直播係入嚟數緊鬼嘅，睇下我哋距離世界冠軍咧，唔係世界冠軍，世界紀錄爭幾多個？咁啊，會數到去11點11分。但係未開始，1010先開始。係啊，今日係嗱，咁咧。我睇下要唔邀請到特別嘉賓入嚟。哎呀，但係唔好啊 ，Mary 得唔得啊 ？Mary， 我可唔可以邀請特別嘉賓啊？其實 我唔記得咗點樣彈，所以我哋依家要拎本簿出嚟。我好誠實嘅，我To do list 今日嘅 To do list 都哇都正啊！哇！開個電腦先，依家未1010，我仲可以有時間練習。攞晒禮物返屋企未？我好似攞晒咯，我好似攞晒禮物返屋企啦。多謝晒。跟住睇下先 ，Who's the special guest? I don't even know。我就係咁隨心，我都唔知邊個會成為今日嘅 special guest。喲！我哋嚟睇下今日做啲乜嘢。會唔會拆禮物？今日有冇禮物？今日有喎，1010，歡迎大家嚟到今日嘅呢一個嘅直播啦。咁今日嘅直播咧，咁就係慶祝呢個 50K 嘅 MV 嘅 view 數嘅 event 啦。咁啊〜我咧就估唔到，原來係可以咁快嘅，咁快50K 嘅。多謝各位係咁聽，係咁 loop，係咁追呢一個嘅 view 數，係你哋造成嘅，係你哋造成個50K 提前發生。So check this out， 我因為有3袋嘢，哎呀，Oh my god，alright， 咁咧就一齊嚟睇下呢一個第一隻緊鬼，雖然唔係得到緊鬼嘅第一隻，唔係第一隻得到嘅緊鬼，但係呢個係我攞到呢個應該係最大隻嘅緊鬼咯，呢個係啊，呢隻，咁佢係一個 backpack 嚟嘅，好，跟住咧，Tutela 有個紫色袋，this is dope man，this dope 個 dopamine。 個夾線嘅緊軌 ，and then 佢有啲跌咗出嚟，佢有啲甩咗，呢隻緊軌有啲跳皮，呢隻緊軌有啲跳皮，佢明明應該企喺度，但係佢去咗佢團火上邊，呢度有3隻。Oh, shout out, big shout out, big shout out. Okay. Oh. So drunk again, and I'm stumbling back to bed all by myself. Don't need nobody else. Oh, my friends are drunk again, and I'm stumbling back to bed all by myself. I got nobody else. 跟住有呢個緊軌嘅頸箍，緊軌嘅頸箍，咁頸箍就梗係要放喺條頸度啦。頸箍 ，OK， next 呢隻係新嘅，呢隻係新嘅，呢隻係咁樣捉住塊面嘅。又放落個 collection， 咁啊之前嗰啲緊軌就唔 show 翻出嚟啦，因為都真係好多隻，我數啦，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16，數埋啱先嗰啲17、18、19、20、21、22、23，哦，呢啲都計嘅喎，呢啲都計嘅，我上次好似冇 show 出嚟。係咪啊？呢啲有冇 show 啊？24、25、26呢個計唔計咧？呢個計唔計？呢個計唔計？型！我會帶出街嘅呢個。27、28、29、30、31。其實仲有好多，但係 OK，next one 係一個衫，係一個睇下先，而家講咩？將 Mega Gengar 卡放咗出嚟未？梗係唔可以放出嚟啦！嗰張嘢要 keep 住保存喺嗰個 container 入邊噶嘛，係咪先？唔可以俾佢嘅 value drop 嘅。跟住呢個係，哇！呢個係嗰日喺新城出邊嘅其中一個 fans 送嘅件衫。It's cool, man. Look. Yo, it's cool. 啱啱放工，係咯，都可以咁樣講，都係真係啱啱放工。呢個我依家係第一次着，哇！Yo， This is rip。 This is drip. I like it. Why? It looks like ocean. size 啱，膊頭啱好。出街好閃靈靈，出街非常閃靈靈。似殺手，咁咪啱咯，咁就啱啦。呢件似殺手。做咩？點解講每日都早上早起嘅？依家會唔會仲保持到早睡早起？早睡早起，冇錯，保持到早睡早起。早睡早，我今日都好早起，今日都8點起身，跟住去9點起身，跟住去做 gym， 跟住先至出去工作，係啊，所以最好啦。跟住就係睇先啲咩 ？What? Let me see. That's good, man. That's so good. It's such a good fun.睇先 ，beatbox。OK。話說你之前睇 Teddy Fan 場有冇認到你？有我未行到去，我行到去個會場，跟住我想入去，跟住就我戴晒帽㗎啦，已經有人認到，跟住影相，跟住我就上到去上面，跟住我見到其他同事，見到同事，跟住我其實 blend 得好埋嘅，即係我喺側邊嘅，跟住佢企咗我前面，跟住啲人同佢開始認到佢啦，跟住同佢影相，跟住啲人又認到我啦，跟住同佢影相，跟住好彩唔係好彩，跟住個 show 就開始啦。同埋我想講好好睇，真係好好睇。我係冇 sneak peek 嘅，即係我係冇 sneak peek 去睇下今日有邊個嘉賓會到咧，我係完全唔知嘅，所以我係有嗰種我係買咗飛，但係我完全冇睇預告片嗰種感覺咯。我哋入到去，跟住我就係有呢個 guest 啊，有呢個 guest 啊 ，Oh my god 有呢個 guest 添啊，哇！最後仲要發生咁嘅嘢，同埋恭喜 Teddy Fan dope so dope。繽紛樂個倉夠食幾耐？我依家仲有一大袋，同埋嗰個繽紛樂袋都仲喺度，個斜孭袋啊，個斜孭袋都仲喺度，所以最近香港有品牌出咗啲近鬼衫，我見到啊，有啲都幾靚啊，我覺得。有冇見到 Tyson？ 有啊，不過我喺個台下度咯，喺個台下度睇佢哋表演咯。因為我冇佢有我睇到佢 story， 佢話喂帶利是封過去，我係真係帶咗利是封嘅。佢話入邊唔好封錢，但入邊我係封咗錢嘅。跟住佢有一首歌咧就落嚟收利是咁樣嘅。跟住咧，佢行到去我面前啦，我咁樣 tap 咗佢膊頭幾下，跟住佢擰咗頭望咗我，好似其實佢好 好快咁望，因為其實佢同時做緊嘢啦，同埋有好多人同時叫緊佢啦。佢就望咗我一眼，跟住就望到另一度咁樣啦。即係佢根本就認唔到，因為我咁樣望住佢，咁樣跟住佢認唔到，跟住我就唉，點俾你咧？呢個利是封，跟住就冇俾到佢啦。不過佢有第二轉又行咗落嚟，第二轉好似係見到我嘅。食唔食過繽紛樂斜咩袋？我想食，但係我唔知啊，太多啦，我要俾啲時間我食。係喎，可能要再提一提喎，鋪韓國跳舞片。不過其實都有嘅，已經係喺網上嘅呢條片，就係 Jackie 游水咯。但係嗰條係佢 solo， 係啦。咁有另一條就係我同佢兩個人跳，嗰條就應該喺 writer 手上。明白我哋追你嘅心力。吓？唔係啊，唔係咁啊，我有逐個喎。講真，時間真係太快，我係冇乜時間練嘅。同埋我 set 呢個高其實都真係有啲癲。我 set 呢個高都真係有啲癲，有啲急促，好急促。不如我跳 Spotlight 啊！不如我跳 Spotlight 算啦。點樣先可以冇版權啊？自己唱嗱，唔好介意啊！將此刻去搭橋，紅色的線牽起緣分。I'm telling you one more time， 別自晒對我分不清，總之掛念。若有一天可再錯咗添，冷靜啲 ，OK， 俾多次機會我，好唔好？俾多次機會我。喂，Dobby。別隻曬天分不開，終於發現月老將此刻去搭橋，紅色的線牽起緣分。I'm telling you one more time， 別隻曬真假分不清，總之掛念。若有一天可再碰面，留低一剎請不要走。I'm telling you， 唔係㗎，佢係咁樣㗎。你聽翻原版啊！嚟啦，聽一次應該唔會俾人 ban 嘅。Yeah，you see？ 係有一個 chord 係出有啲問題，聽下先。係啊，佢係咁樣噶，呢個感覺係有啲即係 清唱咧呢一個位，但係分不開，終於發現月老將此刻去搭橋，紅色的線牽起緣分。I'm telling you， 係啊，嗰個位係唔知點解係咁樣嘅，不過試多次，應該唔會俾人 ban 嘅，應該唔會俾人 ban。我睇你隻手指公分不開，終於發現月老將此刻去搭橋。哦，月老應該係呢個位。我睇你隻手指公分不開，終於發現月老將應該係將，都好似唔係幾啱個感覺，但係其實係啱嘅。將意思。我睇你隻手指公分不開，終於發現月老將此刻去搭橋，紅色的線牽起緣分。I'm telling you， one more time， 你隻手指真假分不清，總之掛念。若有一唔緊要。點啊，北佬有啊，我明嘅，唉，我繼續練啦，練多啲會好啲嘅。It's true that I got you tattooed in my brain, I fool for you。 你知我本性 got you on my mind， 先有憧憬 sometimes 實踩界，只想你回應。眼前漆黑，諗到你一刻令我輾轉反側，你就係鎖匙打開我心房，逃離呢個密室入邊卡數。我係你嘅畫簿，我係你嘅畫簿，你填補我嘅荒蕪，呢個係你嘅功勞，所以請你拎起畫筆。沿路看到這一幕，亦未可猜到這結果。沿路我也會失落，只得對看。You're on my mind。One more time， 你隻手始終分不開，終於發現月老將此刻去搭橋，紅色的線牽起緣分。I'm telling you，one more time， 一隻手真假分不清，總之掛念。若有一天可再碰面，留低一剎，請不要走。I'm telling you。曾經漂浮喺茫茫大海嘅一個孤軍，你代表住萬丈深淵裡面嘅一盞明燈。每當我誤入歧途，你都會化身為指南針。若 someone who comes away， 就似定海神針。當我失足情感失控 ，You're always there for me， 你都會 take your time and ease my mind， 唔需要有苦自己知。Don't need no painkillers， 你為我去止痛，我對你嘅愛就似毒癮，畢竟有因始終。這一幕亦幻想不上這結果，原來我也會希望不止對看。You're on my mind， one more time， 一隻相始終分不開，終於發現月老將此刻去搭橋，紅色的線牽起緣分。I'm telling you，one more time， 一隻相真假分不清，總之掛念。若有一天可再碰面，留低一剎，請不要走。I'm telling you。迷迷糊糊你總是迎面而來，再看清楚一刻卻發現是意外。沿路犯錯我都想去愛，愛就愛得死去活來。One more time， it's a sign, let me be the one that's next to you. Would you stay right here by my side? Don't leave, 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 leave. One more time，一隻山始終分不開，終於發現月老將此刻去搭橋，紅色的線牽起緣分。I'm telling you，one more time，一隻山真假分不清，總之掛念。若有一天可再碰面，留低一剎，請不要走。I'm telling you。Stop telling me I'm supposed to go. You know, and I'll say, so don't go. One more time, it's a sign. 最後嗰個位係原本首歌嗰個 bridge 係咁樣嘅，個 bridge 原本係咁樣嘅，所以我唱埋佢咯。橫掂都好似未有人聽過呢個 bridge 咁樣。係啊。Say,哇，不老，哇，好。養緊聲啊！哦 ，Where are you, bro?
茶餐廳。
Oh, which one?
富華。
富華。啊！咦，北佬又喺香港嘅？
香港仔。
點解北佬喺香港嘅
？Secret 啊！
係咯，我都唔知點解北佬喺香港，所以我問佢咯。
靈眼精神。
靈眼精神，我唔知咩嚟嘅，未聽過。
But 我個電話 is gonna die soon.
Oh, alright.
係 so I'm gonna say hello 朋友仔。
And like see you soon, I guess. Like
係
yeah, I don't know when, but like see you soon. See you soon, bro.
好soon啊 I'm telling you.
Alright, bye bye, bro.
拜拜。
Yeah. 皮膚靚咗咁多，唔係我開咗 filter 啫，開咗 filter 啫。睇下先，你哋係咪有合作？唔知啊，唔知。我真係唔知佢翻嚟做乜。不過係啊，北佬有時係咁樣，即係佢會翻嚟咁樣。龍馬精神，龍眼精神，靈眼精神，兩個零啊！我明啦。大家快啲，大家中唔中意北佬啊？使唔使睇我同北佬合作？使唔使睇我同北佬合作？多過10個相㗎，咁我就同佢合作啦。Matcha。Driving, just driving, just trying to get my head right. And no. 要練。Yeah，咁就同佢合作咯。咁我同佢合作咯。 哇！我好驚喎，俾人咩啊？我真係好驚會俾人咩嚟個。好啊！唉，我想唱歌啊，但係我想唱少少歌啊，因為嗱，我想，因為今日嘅 list 咧就有3首歌嘅。Yo Teddy，咁啊有呢，我其實想唱下呢一首，但我就好驚會有呢一個嘅版權問題，咁就 PK 啦，係咪？即係次次有版權問題咧，咁就冇嗰條片，咁就OK 都好啊！我想講啱先，其實講咗啱先，就係 dope show，dope so dope so dope， like the whole show I was like what and then the final show what just good times. Yes sir, so dope man, so dope. OK， 難唔難彈咧呢首？我咧就自己自學吉他嘅，我咧就好難嘅，我覺得真係。好似唔係好難嘅喎，使唔使落 cap 譜？唔好睇啊 ，Teddy， 唔好睇啊！I've been up till midnight, driving to nowhere, bumping a slow song, can't get my head clear. I've been up till sunrise, headed to nowhere. Hope that someone's missing me somewhere. Driving, just driving. 哇，好難啊！當然啲 chord 唔難，但係，Oh my god，嚟了，唔好啊，我好唔掂啊！啲吉他，即係我做唔到，又唔係做唔到，我未做到。同時間咧，我要諗點樣撳，跟住再個嘴又要同時出歌詞，即係可能好似係其他人覺得即係beatbox 都好難，我就係有嗰個諗法就係點解可以I'm bobbing up till midnight, driving to nowhere. I bump into some song and get my head clear. Bobbing up till sunrise, headed to nowhere. Just need more practice like you dancing. Oh my god！ 我覺得，我未睇過你跳舞喎。你有冇 po 過你跳舞嘅片㗎？我想睇下你係咪同我一樣咁勁啊跳舞。I've been up till midnight, driving to nowhere, bumping a slow song, can't get my head clear. I've been up till sunrise, headed to nowhere, hoping that someone's missing me somewhere. Driving, just driving, just trying to get my head right. 唔好成日自學。屌 ，no dancing for Teddy 。 我覺得咧，即係可以有啲 dance 嘅 crossover 發生下啦。即係我哋都咁勁啊，跳舞。其實有啲想你跳唱 ，Oh my god！冇啊，我驚出嚟跳唱嚇親人啊！即係勁到嚇親人，所以冇啦，冷靜啲各位，冇啊，真係好危險啊！呢一個挑戰。哦，原來係哦。I wish you bluebirds from the spring in the spring。哇，好難啊呢啲。哇，呢啲係真係挑戰。再講，真係好啦，我哋要 skip 咗呢一個 topic 佢，快啲洗走佢。I wish you bluebirds in the spring to give your heart a song to sing and that I kiss them more than this。 我真係做唔到，好難啊。I wish you love。And in July, a lemonade to cool you in some leafy glade. I wish you health and more than well. I wish you love. C7. What the hell is this? 唔得啊，真係。跳 spotlight。Mary， 我有一條 spotlight。播 spotlight 先。型嘅型，唔係，即係我嘅版本。做咩？都係 stick with this 啦。係差啲唔記得，就係個 list 上面要做嘅嘢就係啱先就唱咗 Caesar 嘅 Drive 啦。雖然係因為真係難搞嘅，冇instrumental，but it's okay。我哋依家可以自彈自唱。Oh yeah, that's the stuff。拍定，如果唔係咧，太輕喺邊度啊？太輕。T。Yeah, OK。 我自己Yeah. Till I collapse, I'm spitting these raps long as you feel them. Till the day that I drop, you never say that I'm not killing them. Cause if I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. I am not hip hop, then I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women caught in web spinning, the heart venom, adrenaline shot. A penicillin could not get the illness to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip hop villain, the minimal swap the cop millions of pop business. You coming with me, feel it or not, you're gonna feel like I show you the spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot. Okay. Alright. Alright. Uh. Oh. Uh. 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 Alright. Yo. Music is like magic. There's a certain feeling you get when you're real and you spit, and people are feeling your shit. This your moment, and every single minute you're trying to hold on to it, cause you may never get it again. So while you're in it, try to get as some shit as you can. Cause when you run, it's over. Just admit when it's in, it's in. Cause I'm in the afternoon. Listen, it goes Reggie, JC, Tupac, and Biggie. Andre from Outkast, straight to corrupt, Nas and Emmy. But in this industry, I'm the cause of a lot of envy. So when I'm not putting those sleeves and shit, that's not offend me. You hate it, but you know respect, you got to give me. The press is wet dream like Bob and the Whitney. Nate hit me. 咩咁長嘅？OK，啱嘅。Like go up, my leg give up, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out and my heart burns out. I'ma rip the shit till my bone cut. Soon as the verse starts, I eat an MC's heart. What is he thinking? How not to go against me? Smart and it's absurd. How people hang on every word. I'll probably never get the props I feel I ever deserve, but I'll never be served. My spot forever reserved. If I'll ever leave Earth, that would be the death for me first. Cause in my heart, I know nothing could ever be worse. That's why I'm clever when I put together every verse. My thoughts are sporadic. I act like I'm an addict. I rap like I'm addicted to smack, like I'm commanders. But I don't wanna go off and back in constant battles. The fact is like where to sit back and bomb some rappers. So this is like a full-blown attack. I'm launching at him with the track. It's on some battling and rap who wants some static. Cause I don't really think that the fact that I'm slim matters. The plaque, the platinum status is whack. I'm not the baddest, so woo! God damn！ 我已經入咗無人之境，冇錯，入晒，唔使嘅，唔使飲水嘅，因為接住落嚟嘅下一首係 Rap God， 接住落嚟嘅下一首歌係 Rap God。OK， 呢個一定會俾人版權，呢個一定會俾人版權，一模一樣嘅啲聲唔得㗎喎，唔可以咁樣㗎。7年前。OK， yeah， 冇飲酒啊，我唔飲酒㗎。I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. I'm people the rap back. Not now who thinks that I'm so long enough to slap box. They say live like a. But for me to rap like a computer's by my jeans. I got a laptop in my back pocket. My pen will go off when I half cock it. Got a fat enough on that rap pop. Been living in an office ever since Bill Clinton was in office. 呢啲嘢唔講得嘅。MC is dishonest, but it's ruthless, indecent as hell. This flippity dippity hippity hip hop. You don't really want to get into the pace and match with the rap at the back, putting it back. I'll be able to get my table over the back of the fact it's cracking half on realize it was ironic. I was under aftermath after the fact. How could I not blow? All I do is drop F-bomb. Film a rap for the attack rappers that have on a rough time period. Here's a maxi pad. 哦，哇！佢真係呢首歌我已經聽咗起碼6年、7年、8年、10年都有啦。講真，但係我仲係可以揾到新嘅歌詞咯，即係我仲可以揾到新嘅歌詞、新嘅意思。So crazy man！即係哇，好犀利啊！10年之後我仲揾到新嘅意思啊！哇 ，Eminem。Rappers are having a rough time period. Here's a maxi pad. What? That's crazy. It's actually distress. It's actually this disastrously bad for the whack while I'm masterfully constructing this masterpiece. It's crazy. 哦，真係癲㗎！冇啊，我冇食，依家食。A 半六半零 table 嘅 rank 嘅 rank 嘅 rank 嘅 OK，揾翻先個位先。Super everybody the root of the news and hit earth like an asteroid. Did nothing but shoot for the moon since. Yo, MCs gets taken serious in the music cause I use it as a vehicle to bust around. Now I need the new school for the students. Me, I'm a part of the rock him, like him, Chef as Tupac in WAQ in Robin, gonna easy, thank you, they got slim, inspiring enough to one day upload up and be in a position to meet one MC, infect him into the mother. King rocking, roll Hall of Fame, bro. I walk in the church and burst on the ball of fame. Only Hall of Fame, I'll be in the. What a shame. You think that it's all a game till I walk a flock of flames off a planking. Tell me what in the fuck are you thinking? Little gay looking boy. So gay I can barely say with straight face looking boy. Your winners in the massive care like a watch in the church gathering take place looking boy. Oi, that's boy, there's you get a thumbs up, pat on the back, and way to go for your live for every day, looking boy. Hey, looking boy, would say, looking boy, I got a hell yeah from Jay, looking boy. I'm a word for everything I have, never asked nobody. I feel like a rap. Mary 仲喺度咩？Mary 唔喺度啊！嚟啊，準備啊！ Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. I'm not gonna be taking the 7 get off on the 9-9. See if I get away with it now. It ain't bizarre. But I more to the model can do with portal. You're stuck in a time warp from 2004. And I don't know what the fuck to run for. Your partner's a Rapunzel with fucking problem you white normal fuck being normal. And I just bought a new ray gun from the future. So they're gonna shoot you like when fabulous with J man. Fabulous. Man, play piano. Man, oh man, that was a 24/7 special on the cable channel. So Ray J went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey Fab, I'ma kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed. Some aluminum, you was something on me. What I gotta do you. I'm a superhuman, innovative, animated robots on anything, same ricochet on me, and I glue to you. I'm devastating more than ever demonstrating how to get a motherfucking audience to feel like it's never turning up waiting, and I know the haters are forever waiting for the dead again. 黐線。好啦，rap god 都係為咗聽呢度啫，其實前面嗰啲都嚟一次慢少少嘅今次。 Summa luma duma luma, you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it to you? I'm a superhuman, innovative, and they made it represent. Ain't things say ricocheting on me and I glue it to you. And devastating more than ever demonstrating how to get a motherfucking audience to feel and he's levitating, never fading. And I know the haters are, and I know the haters are forever. And I know. Never fading, and I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I failed if they be celebrating. Cause I know the way they can manifest it. I make elevated music, you make elevated music. Oh, he's too mainstream. Well, that's what they do, and they get jealous, they confuse it. It's hot, it's not hip hop, it's pop. Cause I found a hell of a way to views it. With wire shot, with rock shot, rap without waltz. Okay. rap 中文啊，好啊，好啊。上次上新城 Chris 介紹呢首歌。
在將來你都一直係喺我心裏邊佔一席位。現在將來你都一
Oh my god！但係一首會聽到人喊嘅歌，所以唔好聽住，唔好聽呢啲住。我都唔知有咩呢首啊。佢自己笑，佢每天也自己笑，就算下雨天也自己笑。迷人當我情人，每個人咁有型，聽我柔情聽過黎明唱名。我即刻都翻工迷啦，我等你嘅咋，見你個錯吧。翻咗黃色衫，翻咗綠色衫，又變翻着黃色衫，驟眼望下好似綠色衫，咁似輕十加下黃色衫，若真配牛仔褲。又變翻着綠色衫，佢下半身配白色褲。
It's falling down on the empty ground, trying to find below the stars. It's holding back, everything is lost in black. Polaris never looks so lighter.
呢個係我最中意嘅日本 beatboxer，叫做 Shogo。The best, just the best。
Polaris right now.
Oh.
Polaris right now. Oh, there is right now.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. I can do it. Oh, hey, yep sir, yep sir。哇哇哇哇哇哇！俾人警告，俾人警告，俾人警告咗版權我。哇，原來 Sogo 都係啊，佢上晒平台。Shit！咦，葉 Sir，葉 Sir，我哋幾時合作啊？葉 Sir，好似好快會合作喎，我哋。可唔可以提下我仲有啲咩 to do list 啊？今日因為做晒咯，其實做晒咯。你睇下，好似好多嘢咁，其實唔係好多嘢喎，其實係四樣嘢喎。葉 Sir 喺度，定係走咗你？我同葉 Sir 跳 spotlight 啊！諗埋下次 to do list。好啊，好啊，既然就嚟完啦，咁就我哋依家 plan 定。Oh my god！其實我好 like oh my god！I look forward to like 3月食。It's cool, so cool。好 set 個 next target。咁既然大家上次2萬 view 都，哇真係好快喎！真係我完全估唔到係可以咁樣操作嘅。咁就覺得10萬係下一個高定係10萬？10萬好。係想睇出 boom 啊 ！Oh my god！我 OK 啊，我冇問題啊。點解why not 出 boom？我用咗成個月去練嘅呢首歌，我覺得我跳唔夠100次我都唔會收手。啊！真係10萬 ！Oh my god！我本身諗住講8萬，but like already 丟咗數10萬。It is 真係啊，好犀利啊！我覺得你哋好勁，好犀利。凍檸茶，OK 冇問題。凍檸茶，使唔使走甜小冰嗰啲啊？咁小甜小冰嗰啲啊？凍檸茶咁樣，凍檸茶，凍檸茶，仲要啲咩啊？酒茶呢度咩啊？你玩嘢啊？你酒茶冇呢樣嘢嘅，酒茶你就飲，我俾嗰粒檸檬你啦，即係酒茶。 菠蘿包收到菠蘿包，菠蘿包冇問題嘅呢啲，即係菠蘿油啊！你要菠蘿油啦嚇，加5蚊啫嘛，你冇5蚊啊？菠蘿油啊，我幫你諗埋啦。仲有咩啊？其實我唔識寫個領字，我係望住個 mon 個領字嚟寫嘅。識唔識滑雪？想睇你滑雪，我都想睇我滑雪。西多士，等陣先，我想講，OK，Taylor 可唔可以唱《如夢初醒》？可以，《如夢初醒》。如夢初醒。Of course。我應該係下次扮茶記啊！即係做完呢個便利店員工收銀，跟住就去做茶記。係啊，要擺支筆喺度。哇 ！Without you 唔好啦，OSN 嗰個 Without you 就得。Without you 唱唔到啊，真係。表演 fashion 呢個係強利，唔係我唔知啊，我唔知幾時開始，好似係 Do It For Love 嗰陣時啊，有人扮強尼大哥，跟住我又試下，跟住有啲人話好似喎。How many of us？ 哇 ！How many of us 加媽媽 ？OK 啊。嗱，我覺得因為係10萬 view 咧，呢個係一個長嘅 live 嚟嘅，所以真係可以抌啲 request 出嚟，我係真係會做嘅。仲有2分鐘。媽媽呢個我好樂意 perform。茶記臥底殺手，哇！因為個殺手就住喺間茶記嘅樓上，跟住咁啱佢發現個唔係咩啊？我係個殺手，唔係有個犯，咁佢就住喺嗰間茶記樓上。我係一個殺手，但係因為嗰個大廈咧就好難進入嘅，就係啲好高度守護嘅地方，而嗰個我需要殺嗰個人咧，亦都係被高度保護嘅一個人物。咁佢每日都係出車入車咧，就係好安全嘅一架7人 tinted windows 同埋 bulletproof 嘅一架車嘅。咁我要點樣殺佢咧？我就係要睇佢邊一日終於都漏風啊！即係終於都有一啲位我入到去啦，係啊。跟住嗰日我終於都等到，但係其實呢一個唔係個主線，個主線係我入咗去之後，個故事先真正開始。Smack that, smack that, all on the kitty come on the girls get down. OK. Only 2 weeks for 練好 acoustic。I'm telling you 先，唉，真唱淚光萬歲，唔好玩我啦！可唔可以做個詳盡自我介紹？可以。咁我一嚟就我自我介紹先咯。自我介紹咯，我寫咗。好周星馳片真係咩？唔係咁，我未講嗰啲人員，即係我未講入邊點解 點解我嗰下入到去？點解佢嗰下冇咗保護？點解嗰一下我突然之間可以乘機而入？Right？同埋嗰個人係邊個？完咯，呢啲我都未講。冇啦，依家其實已經過咗鐘啦，1111完噶嘛，1010開始1111完，呢個係一個 OK 好，最後一個 request 10萬 view request 設計星人 T，但我可以設計，但係我設計完冇得用咯，咁仲設唔設計啊？乘機唔係乘 OK 錯，乘虛而入。好啊 design 煮嘢食。乘機而入，有機可乘。我係有機可乘咯，我係啊，乘虛而入，有機可乘。OK。海鮮冇啊，好啦，好咁睇下嗱，其實你哋喺 TG 繼續講啦。咁啊，我最多人投票嘅，我就會睇下我做唔做咯。係啊，咁啊，哎呀，唉。唔見咗個蓋，去咗邊？如果有個咁嘅紋身喺度 ，It's Taylor。好啦，好收皮仔啊！係啊，開個投票 list，good，係啊，呢個係紋身筆嚟㗎，應該紋身筆。冇啊，冇。好啦，早唞啦各位，11:15，再見，See you。